Hello, my students. Today is Friday. Yes, very good. Okay, I need that you copy, please. The date, the topic, is given writing directions, performance, follow the route on the map. Okay? If you want, you can stop the video here and copy the date, the topic, and performance, and continue with vocabulary. But I need, please, that you open your book, page 44. Open your book, please, 44. And this is the vocabulary that you can use to make the point A and point B, okay? This is the activity for today. It's listen activity, and this is the vocabulary that you need to understand the listened part, okay? The track. Okay, cardinal points. North, south, east, west. Vocabulary, down. This is easy. Down. The ball is going down to the stairs. Across. Look, when you are here and across. And exit. Okay, I need that you please copy this vocabulary in your notebook with the picture. Cardinal points. Down, across, and exit. And this is the map, okay? Okay, and now you need to listen the activity and try to understand what is the route on the map, okay? And the first question that you need to answer is point A. Listen, follow the route on the map and answer the question. Where is the woman going? Okay? Entonces vamos a escuchar el audio que yo les envío adjunto. Lo escuchan, siguen las instrucciones de acuerdo a lo que van escuchando. We start here, empiezan aquí. And you need to understand the route and what is the, where is the woman going? ¿Hacia dónde va la mujer? Entonces, esa es la respuesta. And listen and complete the point B, okay? You complete with between, next to, across from. What is according with the map? What is the position of these buildings? Entonces miran el mapa y responden, utilizan estas preposiciones de lugar de acuerdo al mapa y a lo que les están describiendo en las oraciones. Okay, this is the activity for today. You need to complete the sentences with the preposition between, next to, and across from, according with the map. Okay, this is the activity for today. Bye, my student. Have a good day. Please don't forget to copy this vocabulary in your notebook. Okay. Bye. See you. Happy day.